What I have found about stress is that often, more than not, it is a resistance. It's caused by a resistance against, I know what I should be doing, but I'm not doing it. And there's sort of a resistance there. So we talked about crime against wisdom, not doing what our intuition is telling us to do. Stress is often that, whether it be on a physical level, like I'm very tired and I don't go to sleep, and then there's a sort of stress, or I should be going there but I'm not going, or any natural urges that are not being respected. In Ayurveda, they also tend to increase Vata, the air element, which is also working on our nervous system and dysregulating it. So all those natural urges like crying, going to the toilet, eating, releasing gas, sleeping, vomiting, all these that are not being respected will create an imbalance and cause some sort of stress. Also, anything that blocks the flow. So I have found in patients that have not been able to express some of their emotions, that again, stress is being created because it sorts of remain in various centers. So depending on the type of emotion, if it's fear, anger, sadness, it will stay there, not flow through the channels and come up as stress. So there's nothing wrong with stress, it's just a sign that something is not flowing. So the question to yourself is, what is not flowing? And just listen a little bit. And what am I not honoring in terms of my natural urges and needs?